Hello, in this third video I want to show you how to upload video to Wikispaces in a private way, especially video that is larger than 20 megabytes. Of course, if it's smaller than 20 megabytes, we could just upload it directly to Wikipages and it would be private. However, if it's larger than 20 megabytes, like this movie, 62.8, and many of your movies will be larger than that, what we need to do is find another way to do it. Of course, there's always YouTube, but that's not very private. I want to show you a way using something called Google Drive. So you can just Google Drive, right, in order to find it. Click on it, and you can read a little bit about Google Drive on the entry page. The thing I like about Google Drive is that almost everyone has a Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, it's easy to sign up for, quick and easy. So here's my Google account. This little button here is the upload button, and that's the one we want to click on and click on Files, and then it allows you to browse to find your movie. There's my movie that I want to upload. So I would just choose it and upload it. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it to save time. So here's my file down here at the bottom that I just uploaded. So your file is in the Google Drive. That's what you want, is to get it uploaded. Then you're just going to click it and it's going to open up a new window and bring your movie up. And it might take a minute to do that, and you can click play and see the video. So my video is working, and
These are short clips.
There, the sound is working, so I've got my video. Great. Well, now we need to change the settings a little bit before we share it on Wikispaces. So we'll go to File, and I'm going to go to Share, the very first option there. And it's going to bring up a box. And what I want to do is go down here to Who Has Access, right? And then I want to click Change to make sure I have this setting correct. Now I do, but sometimes it will come up Public on the Web. You don't want that because that's the same as sharing on YouTube. Anyone can see it. You don't want Private because then you'll have to type in an email of everyone you want to share it with. What we want is here in the middle. Anyone with the link can view the video. So we're going to click Save, and that we have that setting correct. So then we're going to just click Done. So our settings are ready to go. Now this is similar to YouTube in that we're going to go back to File, and we're going to go down to the option that says Embed this video. That's what we want to do. We click it. It gives us some code. Just like on YouTube, we're going to highlight that and we're going to copy it. Alright, we've got our video now. Now we just go back to our Wikispaces page, and you know how to create a new page, and I've already created one, so I'm just going to go to it, and we've got our two previous videos on there as examples. So I'll click Edit and place my cursor on the page and give me a little space to put the video in there. And then we'll go back to the Embed widget, the one that looks like a TV right there. Click on it, and of course there's lots of options, but I'm going to choose the video option. And remember, we used YouTube to upload the video before. Now we're going to go down to Other Video, because this is not YouTube, it's another video, another way of doing it. Place your cursor in the box and just paste your code in there, just like you did with the YouTube video. Alright, we got it. Now we just click Save. Now your widget box is going to look small, and that's fine. You can make it a little bigger. You really don't have to. It's going to adjust itself on there. I'm just going to click Save, and our video will appear. There we go. The thing I like about this is it sort of looks like, or works just like YouTube, but it's more private than YouTube. There we go. It's working. It's more private because it's not public. It's just shared right here on our Wikispaces site. Only the people in our class can see it. I can see it. Only people with access to this website, which is just people in our class, can view the video. So it's a great way to share large video files in a private manner. And of course, I'll add in the fact that anything you do online is not private. If we're using As You Learn, if we're using Wikispaces, someone can always use screen capture software to capture whatever you're doing online. But of course, if they were doing that, it's going to be someone in our class and we'd figure out who it is. And who wants to spend time doing that anyway. This is the best option we have for privacy. So I would recommend not using YouTube, but using this Google Drive method to upload your video. Another advantage is your video is always saved on your Google Drive. So it's in the cloud. Anytime you want access to it, it's there. So that's it. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to walk you through it. But that's the basics.